holidays. Good morning. Okay, so today is December 23rd, and it is our last live for the year 2021. But don't worry, we're going to be back in 2022. We have lots of new exciting developments that are going to be happening over the first and second quarters of 2022. I really wanted to take this time and I wanted to thank all of our clients. You guys are so great and we're so happy and honored to help you through your journeys. Some people have been with us for many years, and there were so many people who got their green cards and their citizenships today and were able to move on in their cases. And all the gifts and all the cards and all the wishes that we received this holiday season, just an attestation to the fact that we do have the best clients, and we love you and we thank you very much. And we're going to come back in 2022 stronger and better, working for you. Now, the office is going to be closed on the 24th, which is tomorrow, and the 31st, which is next Friday. We want to make sure that our team spends time with their loved ones, with their family, with their friends, so they're happy and refreshed for 2022. But we are going to be open for 4 days next week. So if you have some unfinished business, if there's anything you want to talk to us about, everybody will be here except me, all the attorneys, my partner, all the paralegals, everybody's here. So call us, don't hesitate. We'll be here Monday through Thursday of next week. I hope that if you celebrate Christmas, that you have a warm, happy holiday with lots of gifts and smiles and love. If you celebrate Hanukkah, happy belated Hanukkah. Any holiday that you celebrate, I will tell you that I am of a Russian-Ukrainian descent, so we celebrate New Year's. This is our biggest holiday of the year. We exchange gifts, we have a party, we get together, we dance, we sing, everybody stays up, we do the countdown. It is a magical time that I love. It's my favorite holiday of the year. You feel like there's a new start, new beginning. You can leave bad things in 2021 and only carry the good things into 2022. And I hope that you can endorse the sentiment and see how much better the year ahead can be than whatever has happened last year. With that said, I have to say that 2021 was a great year for us in many aspects. Of course, just like with anything else, there are pluses and minuses, but overall, this was the year of great things in immigration. We grew in size. We're now Cohen, Tucker, Ades. We a strong team, a large team, and we see only great things ahead. We can now handle any type of immigration law, any type of immigration case, whether employment, whether defense, whether to bring here a family, a loved ones, whether to apply for asylum, whether to come for a temporary stay, whatever it is, whatever your purpose is in the United States, whether you're an employer, an employee, a family member, a loved one, we can help you. We keep improving and bettering our resources so we can offer you more flexibility, offer you better communication, not have you travel. We'll try to do so many things for you remotely. As everything progress takes time, and we're trying to do it right, so we're taking it slow, but we're moving closer and closer to our goal. Now, that being said, when I said it's been a great year in immigration, what do I mean by that? The sad news, for me and a lot of immigration practitioners, and mostly for some of our clients is that, of course, there's no global immigration reform that took place in 2021. There's no blanket amnesty like there was in the 80s. There is no blanket green cards or even work permits for all those undocumented immigrants in the United States. So a lot of people come to me and they say, I read reform. No, the truth is there's no big immigration reform that was promised and that we were eagerly waiting for. That doesn't mean it's not going to come in 2022, but it's so far nothing global. However, there has been a lot of improvements for people in the United States. And what do I mean by that? Right? Let's start with work permits, right? Work permits for applicants of U visa has been started, right? If you have a pending U visa that has a prima facie, you can apply for a work permit. So that was a huge relief to a lot of our clients. DACA stayed on, meaning we can renew DACAs for all of our clients that didn't go away. That was amazing. There were several temporarily protective statuses for people from Haiti, from people from Venezuela, and a lot of TPS has been extended for other countries. We have a full list on our website. There's a full list on USCIS, and that was amazing. A lot of people took advantage of that, and it really allowed them to secure, to feel more secure in the United States, to either get just the work permit, or even if you had a deportation, to get some sort of relief post-deportation. There were developments in the business world. Embassies started reopening. We were able to bring a lot of employment-based clients here. H-1B rule was reversed, whereas the Trump administration, whereas the Trump administration wanted to do H-1B, prioritize it based on wage. That all went away. The latest news is that there were H-2B cap was extended. It's a temporary work visa for the winter season. These are all amazing, great developments, right? We were able to do a lot more because the embassies were reopened, so all the people outside have been able to come in. Now, for those who are in United States and who had orders of deportation, we had a huge change in the Biden administration where they brought back prosecutorial discretion, allowing the Department of Homeland Security to look at individual cases and agree to reopen their cases if a person had merit, if there were evidence that they had strong ties to the United States, they were a person of good moral character, and they had a path to legalization. So a huge amount of people that were our clients that had no avenue for relief under the last 4 years, all of a sudden had a glimpse of hope, and we of course clenched onto that and started working really hard to be able to secure their path forward. Judges received a lot more autonomy. First of all, immigration court reopened, as we know, in the summer. Hearings started happening. There's a lot of web-based hearings that made life so much easier for a lot of us. We don't have to go to court. We can sit at the computer, do the hearing, and quickly move on to doing something else instead of having to travel to court, travel back, and stuff like that. The judges received a lot more autonomy because closures are back. The ability of judges to remove cases from their docket is back. The ability of judges to postpone cases for legitimate reasons is back. So I feel like the judges got a lot of the autonomy that was taken away from them back, and that was a great thing for our clients because there are people in the situations where they no longer needed to be in front of the judge, but in the last 4 years we had to keep them there because there was no alternative. But this year we were able to terminate so many proceedings and so many happy clients that came out of it. Overall, I feel like things in the next 3 years for immigrants should continue to be improving, absent anything going severely wrong. I don't know what can possibly go so wrong, but things tend to surprise me sometimes. But what I see is improvement in the future. I'm not seeing a lot of regression. I'm seeing a lot of progression. I am hopeful that maybe in 2022 they'll get over to the immigration reform in whatever reiteration they decide or can pass it, whatever little thing. I tend to see that if you can pass something small but will still help people, you should do it, as opposed to not helping anybody at all, because you're falling short of helping everybody. That doesn't really make sense, because progress doesn't necessarily have to be a blanket. It could be incremental. You do a little bit, little by little. And I do see a huge benefit in people who get work permits and they legalize here. They sort of come out from the shadow economy and they're able to breathe better. And our clients want to work. They want to be contributing members of society. They have friends and family here. They start businesses. They buy houses. They move to other areas, other states, and most people work really, really hard, and they are contributing members of our society and make it better, make it the melting pot that America has always been advertised as. So having said that, I do believe it's been a great year for immigration. Some people may disagree. Some people may say, well, we were promised. Yes, I agree with that. We didn't get everything we wanted, but we got a lot of what we weren't able to do before. So I'm very, very helpful. We are going to be making a few changes. We're going to be posting about it, sending out all of you mass emails. By the way, if you see an email from us, take it out of the junk. Subscribe to our email list, because we post and we send a lot of immigration updates, a lot of interesting, important information through the email. So this way you can kind of stay up and connected with us. Of course, the minute something comes up, we'll post it on social media, we'll post it on our website, something important, and then we talk about it here, and then it gets transferred over to our YouTube channel so that you can keep rewatching it, or if you haven't had a chance to catch it on a Thursday morning at 10 a.m., not everybody can. You can then go to our YouTube channel and scroll down and see what's over there. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. Again, I want everybody to experience joy and happiness and hopefully have an amazing holiday season. I will see you in the new year, refreshed, ready to go with new goals, new dreams, and all the bad things left behind. Thank you very much for this amazing year, for watching, for always being with us, for following up, for calling, for all the amazing gifts. Thank you, and we will see you in 2022. Bye.